Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you the best promo code to use when signing up for a new Binance account. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. All you have to do is scroll down until you see the first link in the description or the first link in the comment section below, which is going to send you to our personal referral code right here for Binance, where you can create a brand new account using our referral code, which you can see right now on the screen, RH9S25AL. Once you enter that, you will get a chance to win up to 100 euros bonus from Binance themselves, and all you have to do is go here and then sign up with a new account from any source that you might like, even from right here. And then once you register that and once you continue, it will ask you for all the permissions, and then it will register you right now into Binance. And if the language is different, then you can change it very easily. And then once you go here and continue, then it will allow you in, and now you can have a brand new account, turn on notifications and surveillance, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.